Earlier in the course, we created a Contact Us page and added this HTML form at the bottom. Currently, this form does not do anything since we've not set it up yet to work with WordPress. To make this work, I'm going to take advantage of a really popular WordPress plugin called Contact Form 7. If we go over to the dashboard and then go down to plugins and add new, this will most likely be in the popular section. If not, we can do a search for Contact Form 7 over here. This is the one we need here. Click on Install Now. Then click on Activate. Just like when we added the advanced custom fields, this will also give us an option in the dashboard. We can click on Contact, and this gives us a sample contact form which we can edit. So hover over the name and click on Edit, and then we're taken to the form settings. This sample form is not too far away from what we need by default. If we explore the syntax, we have a label at the top. We also have if the input is required inside of the brackets. And then below this, we have a input inside of the square brackets. If we want to add additional fields, we can easily modify this form. Down at the bottom, let's say if we wanted a number field, let's add this in by simply clicking on the number box just here. This then gives us the options, such as if the field is required, the field name, any classes and IDs we want to add. Basically the usual attributes we have in a regular HTML input. We don't need this in our project, so I'm just going to click on the X rather than inserting this. Our form inside of our Contact Us page has your name, email and message. We already have your name and your email and also the message at the bottom, so we can remove the subject and then we can save this form. With this now set up, we need to add it to our theme exactly where we want it to display in the page contactus.php file. So open up the sidebar and let's head over to this file, page contact us, which was our custom form. The first step is to comment out our original form. So let's look for the form element and select everything up to the opening form tag. I'm going to comment this out. And then in place, we can add in a custom shortcode. I'm going to do this by opening up the PHP tags. Close these off. We can then echo a function called doShortcode. Inside the brackets, we need to paste in a shortcode, which is provided by Contact Form 7. We can grab this over from the dashboard. Inside of our contact form, we can copy this and then paste this in between the quotations. And now we are good to go. So now we've placed in this Contact Form 7 version in the place of our original HTML form. Save this, and if we head over to our Contact Us page inside the browser, give that a reload, and we now see our form is on the page. Our form is now displaying, however, it is missing our bootstrap styling. We will fix this in the next video, where we discover how to add our custom markup and styling to this form.